They say if you stay inside this fort after sunset, you may not come back the same. Not because of ghosts, but because history here collapsed violently. This is Bhangat Fort, Rajasthan, India's most feared monument and also one of its most misunderstood. Hidden between the Aravalli Hills, near the Sariska Tiger Reserve, stands a fort that looks peaceful by day and terrifyingly empty by night. But this place was never meant to be abandoned. In fact, it was once a planned, prosperous town. Bhangat Fort was constructed in 1573 by Raja Madho Singh, the younger brother of Raja Man Singh. This was not a war fort, this was a royal township. Inside its walls lived merchants, priests, soldiers, dancers, common families. Bhangat was designed to thrive, not fight. Here's a detail most people miss. A holy ascetic named Balunath lived on the hill nearby. He allowed the fort to be built only on one condition: no building's shadow should ever touch my home. This wasn't superstition, it was a spiritual and political boundary. As the town grew, new constructions rose, and one day a shadow crossed that line. Soon after Balunath died, and from that point onward, Bhangat's decline began. Forget ghosts for a moment, let's talk history. Bhangat was located in a vulnerable valley. It lacked strong natural defense. When political power shifted and Mughal protection weakened, the fort became exposed. In the late 17th century, the region faced invasions, economic collapse, drought and instability. The final blow came when Jai Singh II of Amber attacked the region. After that, people didn't flee in panic, they left gradually. Trade stopped, homes emptied, life moved away. So where did the horror come from? An empty town, broken temples, silent houses, wind moving through ruins. At night, even small sounds echo. Over time, fear filled the silence. Stories replaced facts. Legends replaced history. Locals warned travelers. Fear turned into folklore, and folklore turned into a reputation. The Archaeological Survey of India later restricted entry after sunset, not because of ghosts, but because the area is unsafe, wild animals roam nearby, no lighting or security. Bhangat wasn't destroyed by curses. It wasn't wiped out overnight. It died slowly from poor planning, political shifts, and abandonment. And that silence is what scares us. Places don't become haunted because of spirits. They become haunted when life leaves them behind, when communities break, when power shifts, when prosperity disappears. Bhangat reminds us, fear grows where understanding stops. Stories fill gaps left by forgotten history. So the next time you hear someone say, Bhangat is haunted, ask yourself, is it really ghosts we fear? Or is it the idea that even thriving places can disappear? Because the scariest thing about Bhangat Fort is not what lives there, it's what once did and vanished forever. Thanks a lot for watching.